Hello everyone, once again you all are welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to tell you about a new position which was released in the USA Embassy, New Delhi headquarter. So the name of the position is Administrative Assistant Management. So for this the requirement is of the education qualification and also in the terms of the experience. तो दोनों मैं आपको रिक्वायरमेंट बताने वाला हूँ. तो फर्स्ट वी स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द एजुकेशन रिक्वायरमेंट. सो इस पोजीशन के लिए जो एजुकेशन की रिक्वायरमेंट है दैट इज़ योर ग्रेजुएशन डिग्री. You must have completed your graduation degree either from the development studies, from the management, or from the general studies. So these are the 3 to 4 fields in which they are demanding your graduation to be completed by you in order to apply for this position. And apart from this, if we talk about the experience part, so they require 3 years of experience for this position in the fields of the human resource management or in the organization management or in the administrative management. So these are the 3 fields in which they are particularly requiring their your experience. तो अगर इन तीनों फील्ड में से किसी का भी आपको 3 इयर्स का एक्सपीरियंस है तो आप इस पोजीशन के लिए एलिजिबल हैं एंड यू कैन ईजिली अप्लाई. सो नाउ आई टेल यू अबाउट द सैलरी पार्ट. सो जो ये सैलरी ऑफर कर रहे हैं दे आर ऑफरिंग दी एनुअल सैलरी 9,60,000. ठीक है, 9,60,000 रुपये की जो एनुअल सैलरी है यानी पूरे साल की जो इनकम है दे आर ऑफरिंग टू यू. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस दे विल ऑल्सो प्रोवाइड यू द मेडिकल फैसिलिटीज़ एंड 5 days वर्किंग इन अ वीक. ठीक है, तो पूरे हफ्ते में आपको 5 दिन काम करना होगा. देयर विल बी सैटरडे एंड संडे ऑफ. तो ये मैंने आपको एजुकेशन के बारे में बता दिया, एक्सपीरियंस पार्ट के बारे में बता दिया. आई हैव ऑल्सो इन्फॉर्म्ड यू रिगार्डिंग दी सैलरी पार्ट and also the medical facilities that they provide. And now I also give you the brief idea that what your roles and responsibilities are going to be, though I will attach one link in the description box through which you can study all these details by yourself also. ओके, सो इसमें जो एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव मैनेजमेंट और ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट की जो भी रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ होती हैं, जैसे कि जो भी वहाँ पर एम्प्लॉय वर्क कर रहे हो तो उनके जो भी मतलब इश्यूज़ होते हैं, ठीक है, इश्यूज़ हो गए रिलेटिंग टू द सैलरी, रिलेटिंग टू एनी एनवायरमेंटल बिहेवियर. ठीक है, तो ये सारे चीज़ों को आपको शॉर्ट आउट करना होगा. इफ़ देयर इज़ एनी काइंड ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्टेशन फैसिलिटीज़, सो यू विल ऑल्सो बी डीलिंग विद दोज क्वेरीज. ठीक है, और उसके बाद आपको अप्लाई कैसे करना है ये भी मैं बता देता हूँ आपको एक ब्रीफ आइडिया. सो आई विल प्रोवाइड यू द लिंक, अप्लाई लिंक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स इटसेल्फ. सो वंस you click on that link you will be directed to the official website of the USA Embassy. So there, if you are the first time visitor, you need to create your login credentials. With the help of those credentials you will be able to log in, and once you log in there will be 8 to 9 pages of the form, so you can fill that and submit. Once you submit you will receive an email which will be providing you the confirmation that your profile has successfully been submitted to the USA Embassy. After that you can also track the status on the official website of the USA Embassy regarding your application. If you are invited for the interview, so you will be contacted via email or via direct call. So this is going to be the procedure. And if I talk about the extra skills, so they also require the language expertise in this field, and they will also take the general test regarding the reasoning or like comprehension passages. So you also need to be prepared for that. And so these all are going to be the requirement, and they will also be requiring the certification for language expertise, for the translating the language. So if you have these 3 things, first is experience, 3 years of experience in the field of human resource management or in the organizational management, and the second one is your education, graduation degree in the field of these general studies, developmental studies, human resource management or in the management. And the third thing is your language expertise or the translator certificate. So these are all the details that I wanted to provide you, and rest of the details you can study via the link. So that link will direct you on the page which was officially created by the USA Embassy. So if you have any other doubt or query, you can put your message in the comment box, or you can also connect with me on my Instagram ID, that is Naukri with Harsh. So you can send me your query over there also. So I will definitely resolve your issue regarding your concern. So thank you very much for watching this video completely, and if you like this video, don't forget to like the video and also share with your friends or the relatives, and I meet you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.